Your law firm is losing money due to your lack of online presence. So let me explain a little bit by going to Google here. Searching for lawyer in Korea, none of your websites are here out of 5.3 million results. Second page, same thing, they're not there as well. This one here is actually one of my results. And so is this one here from livevideo.com. On the third page of Google, these top two are actually mine. Where are you guys? How about searching for a Korean lawyer? Only Aurora appears here. And if you look closely, this result here is mine. So how about if you are a specialty law firm, such as a Korean tax attorney or tax lawyer? I'm first. None of you are here. What about best tax attorney in Korea? I happen to be third, while Yoo-chun happens to be 7th and 8th, which is not bad. To prove that I can get first page Google results, have a look at the following. I'm going to search for need a lawyer in Korea. On this page, I have 3 out of the top 10 search results. Here, hire a Korean lawyer. Here, I've got 6 out of the top 10 search results on the first page of Google. And finally, for how to choose a Korean law firm, I have 9 out of the top 10 on the first page of Google. None of you guys are on any of these pages. So what can I actually do to help you? Well, I can help you get on the first page of Google so that you can beat your competition or become competitive if you're not competitive at the moment. This will help you to increase your reputation because you can dominate the search results for anything related to law and Korea. This will help to bring in many more clients that are targeted clients. Now this is really important because these people want exactly the information that you put out there. All of this equals, of course, more money for you.